wouldn't happen to have any honey lying about, would you? You see, I seem to have run out.
I think someone does.
They need to be together. What's that?